To install your August smart lock, you will be working on the inside of your door where the thumb latch is. This is the part you move side to side to lock your door. To prepare your door, place the enclosed tape on the outside of your deadbolt vertically like this. Be sure to press the tape down against the keyhole. This will help keep everything in place while you install your August smart lock. Next, position your thumb latch so that you can access both screws, and remove them like this. Your thumb latch will now be able to come off. Make sure it is in the unlock position before you fully remove it. If your deadbolt has a back plate, you will need to remove that too.
Modern home security means flexibility. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like Auto Lock and Auto Unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the UltraLock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
Introducing August Smart Keypad, a convenient way to lock and unlock your August Smart Lock using unique entry codes. The August Smart Keypad is simple to set up, easy to use, and controls your August Smart Lock via Bluetooth. With the August Smart Keypad and August Smart Lock, you can leave the keys behind and lock your August Smart Lock with just one touch. Create unique entry codes for guests to lock and unlock your August Smart Lock without a traditional key or smartphone. It's easy for everyone to use. Unique entry codes for different guests allow you to keep track of who comes and goes. When combined with an August Connect or August Doorbell Cam, even receive instant notifications when your door is locked and unlocked. With August Smart Keypad, create unique entry codes for guests and never leave keys under the mat again. Smart Keypad is easy to use and doesn't require a smartphone to unlock your door. Use unique entry codes to keep track of guests. And enjoy convenient one-touch locking. The August Smart Keypad is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a
make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons.
To have a door that's always open. Same keys, same look, same you, and a world of new ways to say, welcome home.
Experience the next generation in garage technology and keep an eye on your prized possessions with the B6753T Secure View Video LED Smart Garage Opener. This revolutionary garage door opener comes with a motion-activated camera and streams 1080p live video from your garage right to your smart device. With built-in Wi-Fi and integrated MyQ technology, control, secure, and monitor the garage from the MyQ app anytime, from anywhere. Never change a light bulb again with integrated LED lighting that brightens up the garage for reliable, long-lasting light when you need it. For peace and quiet, the ultra-strong belt drive system is virtually silent and vibration-free. The B6753T comes with convenient accessories right in the box. Make your garage work for you with the B6753T. From Chamberlain, powered by MyQ.